Welcome to Module 2, Physics. In this first video, we cover the nature of matter, the states matter can exist in, how it changes between them, and the atoms and molecules that everything is built from. Matter exists in different states depending on how tightly its particles are packed and how much energy they have. In a solid, particles are locked in a fixed regular pattern. In a liquid, particles are close together but can move past each other, so a liquid takes the shape of its container. In a gas, particles are far apart and move freely, so a gas expands to fill any space. A fourth state, plasma, is an ionized gas found in things like lightning and neon signs. Matter changes state when heat energy is added or removed. Adding heat to a solid causes melting into a liquid. Adding more heat causes evaporating into a gas. Removing heat reverses these. Condensing turns gas back to liquid. And freezing turns liquid back to solid. Some substances, like dry ice, can sublimate, changing directly between solid and gas. In every case, this is a physical change. The substance itself stays chemically the same. All matter is made of atoms. Each atom has a nucleus at its center, containing positively charged protons and uncharged neutrons. Negatively charged electrons orbit the nucleus. An element is defined by how many protons its atoms have. Aluminium, for example, always has 13 protons. Atoms rarely exist alone. A molecule is two or more atoms bonded together. If every atom in the molecule is the same type, it is an element, like oxygen gas, O2. If the molecule contains different types of atoms bonded together, it is a compound, like water, H2O, which is hydrogen and oxygen combined. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. The answer is gas. A gas has particles that are far apart and free to move in any direction, so it expands to completely fill whatever container it is in. Question 1. Which state of matter has a fixed shape and a fixed volume? The answer is C, solid. Question 2. What is it called when a liquid changes into a gas below its boiling point? The answer is B, evaporation. Question 3. Which three particles make up an atom? The answer is A, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Here is your quick reference. A solid has fixed shape and volume. A liquid has fixed volume, but takes the shape of its container. A gas has neither fixed shape nor fixed volume. Melting and freezing convert between solid and liquid. Evaporating and condensing convert between liquid and gas. An element contains only one type of atom, while a compound contains different atoms bonded together. That covers the nature of matter: states, changes of state, atoms, molecules, and compounds. In the next video, we begin mechanics, starting with statics, forces, moments, and couples. See you there.